So, this patient, she was not from here, she was from Germany. She had been traveling here and she came to us for something completely unrelated. But while she was here, she did tell us her main concern. So, this tooth was something that really bothered her. She had got an implant done way back, and this was the crown that was given to her before a couple of years. So, there are some things that really stand out in this crown. Firstly, it's the way this ceramic that is given over here doesn't match the actual color of her gums. It is the bulk that was given to this tooth which made it always stand out as compared to the other teeth. Also, the thing was, with the other teeth, she wasn't happy with the proportions. This tooth looks very tiny. These teeth do not have a proper gum contour. They look very squarish. And so while she was here, she did let us know all of these concerns, and she asked us if there was anything that we could do about it. So obviously there is a solution to everything, and because she had all of these concerns which could be dealt with with the help of veneers, we have done that. We have removed her old implant crown. We repeated that crown. We have also restored her other teeth with veneers. So when you come to look at how her teeth were actually looking, these are the things that we just discussed. This is the implant crown over here. This is the canine that was really standing out. Also the bulk of this tooth. It's how long these teeth were in comparison to the other teeth, and it's how short this tooth was. So we had to meet midway in terms of the proportions also. Shorten the front teeth but also increase the length of the side teeth, and definitely get rid of this pink ceramic here which is making the tooth really stand out. So when we repeated the procedure for the implant crown, like you can see, we did away with the pink ceramic. She anyway needed longer side teeth, so we have made the proportion of this and this match. We have shortened the length of these teeth. We have also contoured the gum so that she gets a proper shape. We have dealt with just the top 6 teeth, the front 6 teeth, and this is the shade that she wanted. We whitened her bottom teeth, and if you see her final results, it's looking like a very subtle change, but it is something that's made a world of a difference to her, from not being able to smile because of that one tooth and the small discrepancies in the proportions of the other teeth. She is now such a confident person. Her smile has improved. She's smiling without always thinking of her tooth, and she's gone back a very, very happy patient.